How to use Instacart Express. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Instacart Express. Now, Instacart Express has been rebranded as Instacart Plus. If it is a subscription service that offers reduced fees and exclusive perk for frequent shopper. What you need is open the Instacart app onto your device. There, you just want to go to the profile initials at the top right corner of the screen. You want to go ahead and select Instacart Plus. You will be able to find these plus button. Here it is. You could just go ahead and open that up. You could go ahead and start 14-day free trial as well. And if you have an existing membership like Costco, you can link it in your account settings to sync benefit as well. You could also check your settings to activate additional benefits such as Peacock streaming subscriptions or credit for Grubhub orders as well. And this is how you're supposed to use Instacart Express. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.